Hi, Jeff Garber, Certified Mortgage Planning Specialist. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, 2013. Here's what's going on with mortgage rates. Slight improvement. You can see we've had a few green candlesticks over the last few days. Now, yesterday's doesn't look as good as it should be, and that's because we had what's called the bond rollover, and that happens once a month, and that's because mortgages have a 30-year lifespan. So every 30 days, they start a new coupon, and when that happens, the coupon actually looks a little bit worse than it actually was that day. And that does not affect pricing, even though it still looks like we're in a downward trend here. So rates improving slightly. Again, most of this damage is due to the Fed chief Ben Bernanke stating a couple weeks ago that they were, possibly going to taper or end the quantitative easing that's been helping to keep rates low. So that's got the markets all in a panic, basically, and we're trying to figure out. I should say the markets are just trying to figure out what's going to happen, and then they're going to react based on that. So again, to summarize, rates still hanging around in this range here, all right, which is a good thing. It doesn't look like we're losing, and we'll see what happens. Now, my did you know for today has to do with USDA guaranteed rural housing loans. I do a lot of them, and I wanted to talk to you about what happens if you have an in-ground swimming pool. A lot of people just overlook that. USDA's guidelines state that if you have an in-ground swimming pool, the appraised value cannot include any value from the pool. So if your purchase price is $200,000 and it appraises for $200,000 and the pool is given no value, then you're fine. But if $5,000 of that value came from the pool, then you're going to have to knock off $5,000, and now you have an appraisal that's $195,000, and that obviously can affect your transaction. So this is for in-ground swimming pools for USDA. You just have to be careful on your appraisals. Don't just assume because the house has a pool that everything's going to be fine. Hope this is helpful for you, and I will be back in touch later this week. Have a great day.